sports. It's in the game.
A really exciting night ahead of us here at the Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray. I'm joined for commentary by former Arsenal fullback Lee Dixon. And we've got Champions League group stage fare on the menu. It is Juventus against Paris Saint-Germain.
Yeah, the long road to the final starts here in game one. Always think that if you win your home games and don't lose your away games, you've got a good chance of progressing.
And options in the centre. Corner for Juve. Paulo Dybala with the corner. Just far too close to the goalkeeper. And given away. Cristiano Ronaldo. A brisk start and a quick goal.
Well, the manager would have said, keep it tight at the back and see if you can nick an early goal, and they certainly have done. Well, we'll see this again, and it's inches from going wide. It doesn't, it hits the post and goes in. Keeper is distraught.
Well, let's take another look at that goal, shall we?